Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your deck lid or trunk on your 7th Gen Nissan Maxima. Mine got damaged. I'm not exactly sure what happened to the side, but obviously something hit it, but it didn't damage the molding. So you could fix this through dentless paint repair, where they pull out the dent without damaging your paint, but that would have cost more than what I paid for my new trunk, which comes with the spoiler. So this is my new trunk that I'll be replacing that with. So anyway, let's get on to it. All you're gonna need is something flat. Doesn't necessarily have to be this. And you need something like this for the hood, well, not hood struts, trunk struts. And you're also going to need a 13 mil. I don't know where I laid it down at. But anyway, I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod. And then we're gonna proceed to swapping these out. Alright, so for this part, we're gonna need a Pry Tool. We are going to remove the top portion. I don't believe we're going to have to worry about the bottom. So, and I don't think we're going to have to remove this. So we're going to remove this clip, and this clip. And then the same thing for the passenger side. So in total, you'll be taking out 3 clips. And if that's not enough, we'll remove this panel. So we're going to go ahead and start removing. And same thing for the opposite side. Hopefully we don't gotta remove the other ones. But I'm hoping we can get away with just this portion. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this down. So let's see. Alright, so yeah, we can get away with that. So the harness that's on the passenger side connects to right here. So what we're gonna do, push down on the tab and pull out. And then just lift up on the rubber boot and feed the harness through. So passenger side done. So driver's side should be in the same location. It's a bigger harness. So I'm gonna pull down on this. And which side? Alright, it connects on this side. So where's the, go figure. Alright, so for this harness, there's a tiny little release clip right in the middle of it. Obviously my finger's just too big, so let me set you up somewhere. But yeah, I could see. So let me get the little screwdriver. Disconnect it. That's so. So here's the clip. All I did was put the Phillips head through right here and push down. Well, push up. And then slide the clip back. So same thing. Feed the wire through. You know that. What's up, man? How you doing? Doing good. Slide that through. Alright, now we're gonna move 2 nuts on the driver, 2 nuts on the passenger. And those are 13 mil. We'll worry about the bottom one in a sec. Let's take out this one. And then now, to take out the set strip, just pull it outwards. It's gonna be hard doing this with 2 hands or 1 hand. Let me see something. Alright, so just pull it backwards. It's the same thing as the hood if you ever had to replace the hood. Pull this outwards, and then that'll pop out. Repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Right. Now we can remove the bottom. Okay, for the opposite side. And so now just feed the wire through. And then these two wires is for the spoiler brake light. So just feed all this through. Alright, so since this is used, I just lined up the existing markings with the current one, so everything's perfectly in a line to the same place. So to reattach this, just push it in, twist it. Okay, that one. That's so. Then push in the little tab, and now this is locked in place. Same thing for the opposite side. Just twist, pop it in, then push this in. That's so. And then just push in the rubber grommet. Alright, for this piece, just turn it, hook in the back side. Well, let's do it this way. Let's hook up the front side. So, and hook in the back. And that's it. That's how you replace your trunk, deck lid, whatever you want to call it. You get 7th-gen some Maxima. So, those of y'all that's wondering, this is, like I said, for the brake light on the spoiler. So, reattach this. If you didn't have the brake light for the spoiler, it's fine. This attaches to the driver's side brake light. That's where it reaches down. So, I'm gonna leave this for part 2. that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.